So I had went and changed it already, but I'll show you guys how to do it really quick because it's super simple. As you can see, this is the old one. This looks pretty clean, but as you can see, that is all dirty. This was the OEM one. It looks like it hasn't been changed since since the bike has been out. I'm the second owner of this bike, as I mentioned before. It's a 25-year-old bike, so it fell in the right hands, I would say. I've been working on her. So far, I've done the spark plug, oil change, I changed the petcock, the filter for the petcock, the auto petcock, changed the brakes. Next is the tires. I also changed the levers. I'm going to be uploading that video as well. Other than that, she's pretty much solid when she starts right up. I'm going to be cranking her up at the end of this video. So you want to get ahead. I'm going to go ahead and get a 532 and a 316 Allen, either socket or key. Go ahead and loosen that up. Once you get that little plastic cover off, we're going to go ahead and loosen these 3 bolts. I like to loosen them evenly. You don't have to, I just like doing it. So once you get the cap off the air box, you just want to go ahead and pull the air filter off. And that was what the new one should look like. See how worn. Big difference. Super clean. Only like 40 bucks. 30 to 40 bucks on Amazon or Honda or any dealership around you that sells Honda parts. And that's about it. Super simple. 3 bolts, 4 bolts. Pop it out, pop it in. And that's it. Alright, so once you get your cap back on, put those 3 bolts back on. Put this plastic cover. Tight, and that's it. Once again, thanks for tuning in. And as always, the good luck crank before the end. Let's get her.